If you're looking at a video about monetizing APIs, you probably already know what APIs are, so we're not going to go there. But what we are going to be doing is having the value conversation. What value is your API bringing to users? Is it direct or is it indirect? Let's take Starbucks for example. They make their store location APIs available for free to third-party developers. Now, a developer might use something like the Google Maps API, Yelp's Reviews API, and DoorDash's Ordering API to create a smooth experience for users. And let's say this app could allow users to find nearby Starbucks locations, view menus, and place orders all within the same place. Starbucks doesn't directly make money off of sharing this API, but they enjoy indirect benefits like customer engagement, a broader reach, and expanding their ecosystem. On the other hand, you have APIs that are so valuable that the best thing to do is charge for that API access. AccuWeather does this. They realized that their APIs could be monetizable because they offer different data and functionalities to startups, indie developers, and others outside the enterprise market. For example, they had one that offered near real-time updates of the weather, and another one that offered slightly more periodic updates in case the smaller developers wanted to keep their traffic demands low. So they packaged all these different APIs and launched a self-serve portal for the developer community. And within 10 months of launch, they had gotten over 24,000 developers on this portal, issued 11,000 API keys, and generated hundreds of paid package purchases. Now, this is a clear example of creating direct value. I think John Reethens puts it perfectly. Not everything can or should be monetized. If the value of your API is indirect, you're better off giving it away for free to increase adoption and build a community. But if you do have an API that creates direct value and you think it should be monetized, here's a few pricing models that you can consider. Pay-as-you-go or usage-based pricing. This is perfect for when your costs scale with usage. It's ideal for data processing or analytics APIs. Fixed pricing. This is great when your costs are stable and predictable. Works well for hosting APIs or accessing static databases. Tiered pricing. Use this when you serve a wide range of customer segments. If you're selling to indie devs, startups, and enterprises, this is something you should consider. And then you have free trials. These are perfect when your API's value isn't immediately obvious. Let potential customers experience the benefits firsthand. If you're in the early days of your company or your product, it might help you figure out the value that your customers derive from it.